students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn part of speech and their functions with examples and sentences. Before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. First of all, there are 8 part of speech. First one is noun, verb, adverb, adjective, pronoun. Then we have preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are 8 part of speech. Now we will learn the function and examples of each part of speech. First of all, first part of speech is noun. Now its function is noun is a thing or person. Noun can be a name of a person, place, thing or animal. Now example of noun is pencil, cat, work, notebook. Now I have a sentence of noun. This is my cat. This is my cat. Now the circle on cat, circle in this sentence represent noun. We have circle on cat, that means cat is a noun. Next we have verb. Verb is an action or state. Verb tells us about an action or state being. Example we have get, come, cut, open, like. These are example of verb. Sentence we have I like apple. I like apple. Like is a verb. Next we have adverb. Adverb describe a verb, adjective or another adverb. Example we have of adverb is silently, badly, really. Now example we have my cat eats quickly. My cat eats quickly. Quickly is example of adverb. Quickly is basically an adverb. Next we have adjective. Adjective. Now what is the function of adjective? Well, adjective describes a noun. Adjective tells us or give us more detail about a noun. Example of adjective is small, big, good, well, blue. We have a sentence of adjective that is we like big cake. Big is an adjective. Next we have pronoun. Well, function of pronoun is pronoun replace a noun. Pronoun take the place of a noun. Example of pronoun is I, you, he, she, it. Sentence we have he is very clever. Now the word he is a pronoun as pronoun takes the place of a noun. Next, preposition. Preposition. Preposition links a noun to another word. Preposition links a noun to another word. Example, at, in, of, on, after, under. Sentence we have She was hiding under the table. Under. Under is example of preposition. Under is the example of preposition. Next one is conjunction. Conjunction. Function of conjunction is conjunction joins clauses or sentences. Conjunction joins clauses or sentences. Example: but, and, while, when. Sentence we have: I am very hungry but the fridge is empty. The word but is an example of conjunction. Last but not the least, we have interjection. Interjection. Now the function of interjection is short exclamation. Short exclamation. Example: oh, hi, ouch, wow. Sentence we have: wow, what a beautiful car. The word wow is an example of interjection. Thank you so much for watching this video.